Do you want to earn money from cryptocurrency? I also had the same dream for years ago. But now, it has become the reality for me. I got to know some ultimate rules that helped me gain such a great fortune. Well, in this particular video, I will tell you what those rules are and will also tell you the most powerful cryptocurrencies that will generate you millions in the coming years. But before that, we need to know what cryptocurrency is. So you may say that it's a coin that we buy and make profit if we sell it. Also, people think that crypto only means Bitcoin, but that's not true. A cryptocurrency is actually a string of encrypted data used to represent a unit of money. A peer-to-peer network known as a blockchain oversees and manages it and also acts as a secure database of transactions such as buying, selling, and transferring. It is a form of digital money that may be invested in or used to make purchases without going through a bank or other financial institution to validate the transaction. Now you know what cryptocurrency really is. So let's move on to the 7 golden rules that will help you get profit from any crypto, and then we will tell you the best cryptocurrencies that will generate you millions, but before that, rules must be known to you. So let's start with them. Rule 1. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Investments in cryptocurrencies may be risky, therefore it's important to only invest money that you can afford to lose. Although there is a chance of receiving big profits, there is also a chance that your money might be lost. Never, ever use your life savings or credit to buy cryptocurrencies. Rule 2. Spread out your portfolio. In every financial portfolio, diversification is a vital tactic. The same is true for cryptocurrency portfolios. To spread the risk, distribute your assets among many cryptocurrencies. By diversifying, you lessen the effect of a single coin's regretting performance on your whole portfolio. Rule 3. Establish definite objectives and a plan of action. Establish your investment objectives and have a clear plan before making any cryptocurrency investments. Do you prefer long-term development or quick gains? What is your threshold for risk? Making judgments based on your goals and avoiding irrational behaviors brought on by market swings will be made easier for you if you have a clear strategy in place. So subscribe our channel and also press the like button if you want to know more cryptocurrency investments related videos. Rule 4. Stay current and informed. The crypto market is dynamic and constantly fluctuating. Keep up on the most recent headlines, legal developments, and market trends. Join groups for Bitcoin, pay attention to reliable sources, and converse with other investors. You may adjust your investing plan and make decisions based on information if you are knowledgeable. Rule 5. Adopt an outlook that is long-term. A long-term outlook is frequently needed when investing in cryptocurrencies. While it is possible to make money quickly, the true promise of cryptocurrencies rests in their capacity to revolutionize whole sectors and provide wealth that will last. You can withstand market turbulence and maximize the return on your assets by developing a long-term perspective. Rule 6. Refrain from making emotional decisions. Because cryptocurrency markets may be extremely unpredictable, people may react emotionally by selling out of panic or purchasing out of FOMO, fear of missing out. Emotions can impair judgment and lead to bad choices. Remain committed to your plan, refrain from acting rashly, and base your choices on careful consideration rather than feelings. Rule 7. Ask a professional for help if you need it. Consider seeing a professional if you feel overwhelmed or uncertain about your investing choices. A knowledgeable financial advisor or cryptocurrency specialist can offer helpful perspectives and advice catered to your particular circumstances. You may choose investments more wisely with the aid of their knowledge. These are the main rules of investing your money in cryptocurrency. Do follow these rules while buying and selling your cryptos. Now we will tell you the 5 best cryptos that will make you rich in the future. So let's begin. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. As it has grown more well-known, the price of Bitcoin has risen. Bitcoin cost roughly $500 as of May 2016. Since then, there have been several ups and downs for Bitcoin, but it has exhibited incredible resilience. As of May 3, 2023, Bitcoin is selling between $28,000 and $29,000, having lost 65% of its market value during the previous year. 2. Ethereum ETH. Along with Bitcoin, Ethereum has grown significantly. Its price increased by more than 27,000% between April 2016 and the beginning of March 2022, from around $11 to over $3,000. Ethereum, however, fell to an annual low of $1,091 on November 9, 2022, as a result of the broader market crisis, and it quickly recovered to values of about $1,800 by May 3, 2023. 3. XRP. XRP may be used on that network to support exchanges of many currency kinds, including fiat currencies and other significant cryptocurrencies. It was developed by some of the same founders as Ripple, a digital technology and payment processing firm. 4. Litecoin, LTC. There are 84 million tokens in the round-off supply of Litecoin. It reached a peak of $413.47 in May 2021, but it fell by more than 50% from that point. A rising number of merchants are accepting Litecoin. It is the 11th largest cryptocurrency in the world, valued at around $87 per token. 5. Tether, USDT. Tether, in contrast to certain other types of cryptocurrency, is a stablecoin, which means it is backed by fiat currencies like US dollars and the euro and theoretically maintains a value equivalent to one of those denominations. As a result, investors who are leery of the severe volatility of other coins choose Tether since its value is theoretically expected to be more stable than that of other cryptocurrencies. 6. Solana, SOL. Solana is an innovative hybrid proof-of-stake and proof-of-history system that was created to support decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, decentralized apps, dApps, and smart contracts. This system enables it to execute transactions rapidly and safely. The platform runs on SOL, Solana's native coin. SOL had a 77-cent price point when it first went on sale in 2020. Its cost had increased by almost 13,000% by March 1, 2022, to about $101. It was currently selling for about $21 as of May 3, 2023. Now you know all the golden rules of cryptocurrency investing, and also you know the cryptos that will make you a millionaire. Invest in these cryptos with proper risk management to earn huge rewards. Hit the subscribe button to stay connected with us and knowing more investing tips. Also press the like button. In addition, share this video with all of your friends. Let me know in the comments which investments you have already made. Thank you for watching.